Welcome to my complete tutorial for the ultimate task tracker spreadsheet for Excel. This all-in-one spreadsheet helps you organize, prioritize, schedule, and track every task in one place. Before getting started, I recommend reading the README tab to familiarize yourself with the workbook and its features. Once you're ready, everything starts in the Master Task List tab. This is where you'll enter and manage all of your tasks, and the rest of the workbook will update from there. For each task, enter a task name. I recommend adding all of your tasks first before filling in the other details. It's an easy way to get everything organized from the start. Next, assign the task to a project if applicable. If the task repeats, simply select the recurrence frequency from the drop-down menu. Then choose a category, priority, status, and assignee. These details make it easy to stay organized, focus on what matters most, and keep track of progress and responsibilities. If you'd like to schedule this task in the weekly view, enter a start and end time. Now enter the start date and due date for the task. These dates are used throughout the workbook to track deadlines and display your tasks in the different planning views. Days left and duration are calculated automatically. When a task is overdue, it will automatically turn red. As work progresses, update the completion % column to track how much has been completed. This provides a clear visual representation of your overall progress. You can also add notes to store important details, updates, or reminders related to each task. Finally, decide where you'd like the task to appear. Select an Eisenhower quadrant, then use the checkboxes to include the task in the Kanban Board, Gantt Chart, and Annual Planner. This lets you customize which planning views each task appears in. To edit the drop-down lists, go to the Setup tab. The Setup tab is where you can customize your projects, categories, and assignees. Simply replace the sample entries with your own, and the drop-down menus in the Master Task List will update automatically. The other drop-down lists in the Master Task List should not be edited, as they are connected to formulas and features throughout the workbook and are required for everything to function correctly. To quickly organize your tasks, use the filter buttons at the top of each column. Click the filter icon in the column you want to sort or filter. For example, you can use this feature to sort your tasks in alphabetical order. You can also use filters to temporarily hide items from your list and focus on specific tasks. For example, by selecting only one project, only tasks related to that project will remain visible. The same can be done with priorities, statuses, categories, or assignees by deselecting any options you do not want to display. This makes it easy to focus on the information that matters most without changing your data. Go to the Eisenhower Matrix tab. Here, you can view all of your tasks automatically organized into the 4 Eisenhower quadrants based on the selections you made in the Master Task List. This makes it easy to identify which tasks should be completed first, scheduled for later, delegated, or eliminated. You can also use the filters at the top of the page to display only specific assignees, categories, or priorities, helping you focus on exactly what you need. The Kanban Board tab gives you a visual overview of all your tasks based on the status selected in the Master Task List. Across the top, you'll see key statistics including total tasks, completed, completion rate, due today, and overdue, helping you quickly see where things stand. Use the filters to narrow down your tasks by assignee, category, or priority. If you would prefer to focus only on active tasks, you can check the Exclude Overdue box to hide overdue items from the board. Tasks are automatically sorted into the Not Started, In Progress, Waiting, Review, and Completed columns based on the status selected in the Master Task List. As you update a task status, it will automatically move to the appropriate column here. Progress bars, due dates, priorities, categories, and assignees are all displayed on the task cards, making it easy to see what needs your attention at a glance. Go to the Gantt Chart tab and select the start date you would like to view. Use the View dropdown at any time to switch between the daily and weekly views. You can also use the filters to display specific tasks by priorities, assignees, or statuses. All of your tasks are displayed on a visual timeline and are automatically plotted based on the start date, due date, and completion percentage entered in the master task list. This makes it easy to see upcoming deadlines, monitor project progress, identify overlapping tasks, and keep everything organized in one place. As you update your tasks, the Gantt chart will automatically refresh to reflect the latest information. The Task Schedule tab automatically expands your recurring tasks into individual occurrences. Instead of manually creating the same task over and over, simply set the recurrence frequency in the master task list, and every occurrence will be generated automatically. You can use this view to see exactly what needs to be completed on each date. The weekly view shows you a clear breakdown of your events for a specific week. Select the year, month, and the time at which the day starts. Select the week that you wish to view using the mini calendar as a reference. The week will be highlighted. Events with times will appear in order and color blocked, so you can easily follow your schedule. Use the Calendar tab to view all of your scheduled tasks in a monthly calendar format. Select the month you would like to view, update the year if needed, and choose whether your week starts on Sunday or Monday. Any task with a due date will automatically appear on the correct day, allowing you to see upcoming deadlines, plan ahead, and stay organized throughout the month. As tasks are added, updated, or completed, the calendar updates automatically. You can check the boxes to mark events as complete, but remember to uncheck them when changing months. Any event you check to include in the annual calendar will appear in the annual view. This gives you a full year at a glance and makes it easy to keep track of important dates, deadlines, appointments, holidays, and other key events throughout the year. The dashboard gives you a complete overview of your tasks at a glance. At the top, you'll find key statistics, including your total tasks, tasks in progress, waiting, on hold, under review, completed, overdue, and your overall completion rate. Below, you can quickly see today's tasks, your next 10 upcoming tasks, and your 10 most overdue tasks. The charts provide a visual breakdown of your tasks by status, priority, and assignee, while the calendar highlights all tasks due during the current month. As you update your tasks in the master task list, the dashboard updates automatically. That's everything you need to know to get started with the ultimate task tracker. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to help.